Managing HR across diversified companies shouldn't feel chaotic. For one fast-growing business group, it was just that: scattered systems and zero visibility. They turned to TechnoBase IT Solutions to bring order to the chaos. We built a custom HRMS, tailor-made to unify HR operations across every group company. From centralized employee data to standardized onboarding and exit processes, everything was brought under one digital roof. No more duplication. Sensitive data is secured through role-based access. Routine tasks are now automated with intelligent workflows, and decision-making is backed by real-time dashboards. The results? 30% less time on admin tasks, 100% visibility across companies, and a better experience for HR teams and employees alike. At TechnoBase, we don't just build software, we create smart systems that evolve with your business. Ready to transform your HR operations?